Charlene was trying to put me up, Brock.
She ended day and age, or?
Yeah, she did. It's gotta be out there, yeah. It's out there. It's not, won't find it.